Here you can invest with just rupees 400. In this property with just rupees 420. And in this Delhi mall you can invest with just rupees 150. Look at this mall. It has stores of all the big international brands. Do you know the rental income of these properties? This one's rent is 6 lakh rupees per month. This one's 7 lakh rupees per month and this one's 18 lakh rupees per month. Look at this. KPMG has leased 24,788 square feet area here for 5 years and pays around 37 lakh rupees of rent every month. That's around 4.4 crore rupees annually, which increases by 15% every 3 years. Just think how much money the owners of these properties must be making every month. Until now, this game was only for rich people, but now retail investors like us can also invest here. In prime properties of every metro city like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, you can invest with just rupees 500 and get monthly rental income plus yearly capital appreciation too. In this video, I am going to explain the entire system step by step. What percentage rental yield you can get every year, how much capital appreciation is possible, what will be the taxation, everything. Just watch this video till end, everything will be cleared. Have you ever seen DLF Cyber City or BKC's high-rise commercial towers? Thousands of crores of business happens there every day and the same real estate generates crores of rental income every month. Now imagine you can become co-owner of this premium properties with just rupees 500 through the magic of REIT. This video will decode the same magic. It will show you how you can become landlord of billion-dollar properties like DLF, Embassy, Brookfield with just rupees 500 without any loan, without any registration or without any broker. And not just rent, you'll also get capital appreciation just like a flat. And the biggest thing, liquidity is also very high. Sell whenever you want. This is both property and a stock. Zerodha, Grow, Upstock, Angel One, whatever broker you use, all this is possible through them. Every Indian has a dream. I want to buy a property that gives rent and also increases in price. But when we see real estate prices, the dream breaks. To buy a decent commercial office space in Mumbai, you need minimum 2 to 3 crore rupees. In Delhi NCR too, grade A office space go about 1 crore and then comes maintenance, fittings, tenants, paperwork, TDS, taxes and legal issues. You got the property, but headaches are even more. Rental yield hardly 2 to 3% annually. Liquidity zero. If you want to sell, you can't find buyers and it takes months to find buyers. So middle class dream remains just a dream. But then something changed in 2019. REITs came to India, which solved all these problems through fractional ownership. REITs full form is Real Estate Investment Trust. In simplest word, this is a company that invests in commercial real estate like malls, offices, IT parks, warehouse, etc. And then the rental income it gets, it distributes to those investors who buy its shares. Meaning, REIT is a trust that owns property. You become unit holder of that trust. Whatever rent comes will be paid directly to your bank account every quarter. And when property price increases, your unit's price will also increase, just like shares. And the best part, these REITs are listed on stock exchange, just like stock. You can buy REIT worth rupees 500 from your mobile. Let's see some of India's best REITs and their returns. Currently, 3 to 4 major listed REITs are there. Embassy Office Park REITs, which is India's first listed REIT. Its sponsors are Embassy Group plus Blackstone. Their properties are Embassy Tech Village, Manyata Tech Park Bangalore and Express Towers Mumbai. Total area 45 million plus square feet. Major tenants, big companies like IBM, Microsoft, Google. Second, Mindspace Business Park REIT. Sponsor K. Raheja Corp. Properties Mindspace Malad, Mindspace Airoli Mumbai, Commerce Zone Yerwada Pune. Total area 31 million plus square feet. Tenants Accenture, Barclays, Amazon, Brookfield India. Number 3, Brookfield India REIT. Sponsor Brookfield Asset Management Canada. Properties Candor Tech Space, Powai Business District Mumbai and Gurugram SEZ. Total area 25 million plus square feet. Tenants TCS, Cognizant, HSBC. Number 4, Nexus Select Trust, whose IPO came in May 2023. This REIT specifically target malls. In the last 2 years, it has given around 60% absolute returns to its investor. This is one of the best REIT for commercial real estate investment. I'll tell you the complete details of how to invest in this and what returns you can get. Let's talk numbers. You earn money from REITs in 2 ways. Rental income as dividend or interest. REITs have a rule. 90% of rental income has to be compulsorily distributed to investors, meaning if a REIT is earning 100 crore rupees from rental, then 90 crore will go to the investor. Generally, Indian REITs have dividend yield of around 6 to 7% per annum. So if you invest 1 lakh, then 6,000 to 7,000 comes to your bank every year, totally passive without doing any paperwork. Second income comes from capital appreciation. When REITs properties value increases due to better occupancy, rising rentals, better locations, then REITs unit price also increases. For example, Embassy REIT when it was launched in 2019 was at rupees 300. COVID caused a dip, but then recovered and went to rupees 400 plus, meaning apart from rent, capital also increased. So on an average, you can expect 10 to 12% of annual return. REIT has given 10.5% annual return from its listing till 2025, 7.1% as annual distribution and 3.3% as capital appreciation, because in the last 5 years this REIT's price has reached 400 rupees, which was 300 rupees at the time of IPO. Similarly, Nexus Select Trust has given around 60% absolute return to its investor in the last 2 years. Its IPO came at rupees 100 rupees per unit, and today its price is running around 150 rupees. In FY24 it has given around 7 rupees of distribution, and in FY25 it gave 8 rupees 40 paise per unit, meaning whoever invested money at IPO time today have got more than 60% absolute return. Now some of you will say that bro, why REIT? If we can earn only 10 to 12%, we can get that in mutual fund too. Correct, but let me tell you 10 reasons that will force you to invest in REITs. REITs are genius investment. REITs are a master stroke for middle class. Number 1, investment can start here with just rupees 500, no lakhs or no crores needed. Number 2, no paperwork, just like shares, buy and sell on exchanges online. Number 3, quarterly income, passive, regular, stable, no volatility like stock market. Number 4, diversified properties. Your 500 rupees get invested in malls, IT parks, warehouses, everything. Number 6, zero maintenance, no tension of finding tenants and no legal issues. Number 7, high liquidity, sell anytime, no lock-in period and no hassle of finding buyers. Next, professionally managed. Big players like Blackstone, Brookfield, etc., who are already managing billions of dollars are managing this kind of REITs. So your fund is managed professionally. Stable rental demand. Tech companies need grade A offices. They don't change their office frequently. They continue for years, and hence the rental income is quite stable. Last, regulated by SEBI, meaning full transparency. Tax efficient options are also there. Major income coming from here is rental income, which is taxed at slab rate. As per new tax regime, income up to 12 lakh rupees is tax free. Now the next question comes, are there no risk in the REITs? There definitely are. Number 1, occupancy risk. If tenants leave, then rental income can decrease. Number 2, interest rate risk. When RBI increases rates, rate price can come down. Number 3, capital risk. Based on market sentiments, rates price can also go up and down. Next, taxation complexity. Tax is levied at different rates on dividend income, interest income and capital gains. But if you ask me, that's not a big hassle. And even this risk are not like mutual funds or stocks. If you invest with understanding, risk is manageable. Today, India's commercial real estate market is about 4 lakh crore rupees. Until now, there are only 4 listed REITs, but demand is increasing. Now, REITs like Tata Realty, Godrej are also in pipeline. New REITs IPO will come. New malls, new offices and new investor will also come. Tomorrow, when your friend says, I got rupees 1200 quarterly dividend from Embassy Tech Village, then either you will think, wish I had also invested, or start building a small property empire by investing today. You can invest with 500 rupees itself. Real estate is not just a rich man's game anymore. Now common men can also take part in building like DLF without investing crores. Invest rupees 500 today, buy one REIT unit and think, if one day you have 10,000 units in portfolio, then you'll get 70,000 rupees of passive rental income every quarter, and in next 5 years it's possible that his rental income becomes 2 lakh rupees, because rental rates are increasing, occupancy is getting tight and rates are acquiring new properties. Process of investing in REIT is very simple. Open a demat account. REITs are bought like stocks. If you already have a demat account, that will also work. Compare all the available REITs, Embassy, Mindspace, Brookfield and any other. Check dividend history, check whether regular payout is happening or not. I have put links of all their annual reports in the description. do check out. Check location. Commercial zones in Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai are strong. Demand always remains high here. So REITs that own property here have high chances of rental consistency and high rental yield. Start small. Start with rupees 2000 monthly SIP. This will also work. Track the earnings regularly. Income will come every quarter. Track it. Where rental income is decreasing, exit from there and switch to high rental income rates. In future, rates of companies like Tata, Godrej are also coming. So be ready. Stay invested for long term. Wealth will show in 3 to 5 years. Initially, rental income will seem less because investment is also less. But gradually, as you increase the investment, income will keep increasing. Look, earlier real estate was a status of symbol. Today, rates have made it a wealth building tool. Embassy rate as alone has distributed more than 12,000 crores in last 5 to 6 years. And this money went directly to investors' bank account. And the biggest thing, this is investing in an asset that is directly linked to India's growth. Because as long as India's IT sector grows, as long as MNCs come here, as long as offices, malls, warehouses are built, REITs value will keep increasing. See you again with another interesting video like this, which will help you in your wealth creation decision. If you like the video, then press the like button and share it with all your friends who want to invest in real estate. See you in the next video where we'll decode more ways to make more money. Till then, stay safe and build your wealth and stay smart. And yes, if you want to understand how rich people are minting money, then watch this video. Link is in description. Bye bye.